As we age, our skin begins to lose its elasticity and form wrinkles. While there are many commercial products claiming to get rid of wrinkles, they can often be expensive and full of harsh chemicals. Fortunately, there are also many natural home remedies that can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. There are many natural ways to keep your skin looking young and healthy, and black seed oil is one of them. This oil is high in antioxidants and fatty acids, which help to promote skin health. You can use black seed oil to get rid of wrinkles and look younger. Black seed oil is that it is a natural moisturizer. It can help keep the skin hydrated and looking younger. The oil is also light and absorbs quickly, so it won't leave behind a greasy residue. Overall, black seed oil is a safe and natural way to reduce the signs of aging. It is affordable and easy to use, and it can be incorporated into your daily routine. There are a few ways to use black seed oil to help get rid of wrinkles. One is to simply apply it directly to the skin. Another is to mix it with a moisturizer. You can also add it to a bath. Wrinkles are a natural part of the aging process. They occur when the skin loses its elasticity and begins to sag. There are many factors that can contribute to wrinkles, including sun exposure, smoking, and diet. There are three main types of wrinkles: static, dynamic, and gravitational. Static wrinkles are those that are caused by the natural tension of the skin. Dynamic wrinkles are caused by the movement of the muscles underneath the skin. Gravitational wrinkles are those that are caused by the natural effects of gravity. The best way to prevent wrinkles is to protect your skin from the sun and to avoid smoking. One of the most effective natural remedies for wrinkles is olive oil. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer, and it helps to keep the skin hydrated. Apply a small amount of olive oil to your wrinkles twice a day, and you should see a noticeable improvement within a few weeks. Another natural remedy for wrinkles is honey. Honey is a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent, and it can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. Apply a thin layer of honey to your wrinkles twice a day, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Another remedy for wrinkles is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent, and it can help to tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to your wrinkles twice a day. Lemon juice is another great natural wrinkle treatment. It is a natural astringent, which means it helps to tighten your skin. It is also packed with antioxidants, which can help to protect your skin from damage.